In 1995, the world lost one of its most rigorous defenders of the Christian faith, Dr. Greg L. Bahnsen. But his teaching didn't end there. For decades, his lectures on apologetics, philosophy, ethics, and theology have shaped students, pastors, and apologists around the world. The Bahnsen Bible Academy exists to preserve that work, not as a tribute, but as a living library for serious study. This isn't a place for quick takes or casual scrolling. It's built for people who want to go deep. Students of theology, pastors preparing to teach, apologists sharpening their case, and anyone serious about Christian thought who isn't satisfied with surface-level answers. Here on this and the associated channels, you'll find his teaching outlined and organized so you can actually study it, not just listen to it. This is the hub for the Bahnsen Bible Academy's full library, connecting you to teaching series and resources built around the topics that matter, and built to go as deep as you're willing to go. But the video is just the starting point. On the website, you'll find the fuller context behind every topic, including enhanced audio of Dr. Bahnsen himself, speaking in his own words, on the very subject you just watched. Start with the video below, or explore by topic in the playlists. This is the Bahnsen Bible Academy, preserved teaching for serious study.